to winning the Premier League, but they are too far for now. Anyway, let's cross over from Machakos, go all the way to Kibera. The Rajani Gogo Boys conducted a fund drive aimed at boosting the team's activities throughout the 2024-2025 season. Gogo, who are playing in the National Super League, are 6th on the log with 18 matches and they have bagged 30 points so far. The players are hoping for their best, especially after struggling in the beginning of the season. This team conducted the fund drive and they raised 9.6 million. That is clearly 3 million short of 12 million, which was their target, which is equal what they share and spend the entire season.
Haijakuwa rahisi, but with their support, at least tumekuwa tukienda matches, tunashinda matches with their support, wakitushika mkono. So imekuwa poa sana, tunawashukuru as Darajani Gogo Football Club.
Our journey for 10 years is still on to play KPL. So with the guys behind me, I am sure we can get to KPL. And they're here, they're listening, and they'll support me, us and me and the team to get to KPL next season. And then after that, we're gonna for Champions League.
Actually, it costs us about 12 million per year to just run Darajani Gogo, minimum 10, but the true budget is around 14 million. Mainly because, that I'm talking about the National Super League, because there are teams, we have 20 teams compared to KPL, which has 18 teams. We actually travel more all over the country compared to KPL, because KPL has most of the teams in Nairobi. So you tend to find that it's very, very expensive.
Truly, it's a labor of love. They love the game and they love the boys, they love the players. They have